Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Hamdun and welcome back to another vlog of Lifestyle. And today I'm gonna do my one of the things that are very rare in my channel. Actually, I've only posted one video about it, and can you guess what it is? It is drawing. So now this as I told, I only posted one video of it, and this is my favorite hobby except football or soccer. But let me just real quick show you, then I'll tell you what we're gonna draw. So real quick, I want to show you all of my drawings. I do most of them from Art for Kids Hub. I told you in the other video I drew. So these drawings, most of them are from Art for Kids. Some of them are from Artland, and very less of them are made by myself. Okay, I do like so many. These are some cards from all of my cousins and all that. This. The list goes on. Okay, and these cards are like for Father's Day, Mother's Day, and those special events. But there's also, if you can see this and that. Those are the notes from my teachers, because when the last day of class, there are many cartoon stuff and they give notes, to say goodbye. But now let's move on to the drawing, and today we are going to draw a dragon. Okay, I mean, this is a thing I didn't even draw without posting it. I mean, when I'm not even posting my videos and drawing, that time I didn't even draw it too. So yeah, it's a new thing. I never even drew a dragon before. Maybe I did. This one looks like a dragon. Okay, so yeah, look at this. This is Art for Kids Hub, and I'm watching it and trying to draw a dragon. Okay, wait, I forgot to tell you one thing. That you actually need a pencil, like I have, an eraser, and sorry, it fell, but yeah, during the vlog it fell, but you also need your shirt. Okay. So now let's move on to the drawing, and today we are going to draw a dragon. So let's just click over here and see.
You got your marker. Yes. Alright, we hope you guys are gonna follow along with us. You got something.
It's a pretty good channel actually. You should subscribe to it. But talking about that, you should subscribe to Lifestyle as well, and also like the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna start drawing. Okay, and yeah, let's see what comes of it. It might be very good or simple, but it's alright if I have any mistakes. At least we're having fun.
First step, we're gonna start with
okay,
his
then.
eye, and we're gonna draw a curve. That's the top of his eye.
Okay, then a curve for the top of his eye. We're gonna draw it like this. A little too big, maybe. I think I need to erase it. That's why you need your eraser, to erase your mistakes. I think I'll draw it over here because I think my page is bigger than theirs. Oh, I made a mistake again. I made so many mistakes, but at the end the drawing is very good. That's how it turns out.
I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Okay, so now the drawing is done. Let me just show you all of this, all of the progress I have made. It was so fun and all that, but now it's time for the coloring. Okay, and yes, I am gonna fast forward this part, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed all of this video and yeah, all that. Yeah, let's move on to the coloring, but real quick, if you want good content and like learn how to draw these things, I'm not actually copying them. I just do it for fun. I just like drawing things. And if you want good content like this, you can just subscribe and then tell me in the comments what should I draw next. Okay, and yeah, let's move on to the coloring part. So I have my box of colors. There are many missing colors for the colors. So right now I have a lot of colors. Let me just tell you about my colors. I have these and these ones. See, these are two. I have two boxes of Look, I have a lot of colors. Like I have two boxes of. I mean, this is not a box. Color pencils, and I also have this marker color. This all pastel colors, and one more marker color box. And yeah, I have a lot of colors. But right now, I'm gonna use this box color. Okay, you guys at home, if you were making it by any type of thing except pencil or anything, you can color differently by a different thing. It's just it's up to you. So now I'm gonna color, and yeah, we need orange. So where is my orange? Now I am gonna color it, and the first color we need is orange. So let me just turn this on. in 1, 2 and 3. Man, this looks so good. I just love this. I like this a lot. But real quick guys, I made a lot of drawings. I mean, my YouTube channel is like recent, a very young channel, you know. It's very, it was made very recently. I think it was made in this month or the month before. I don't remember. But let me just show you a real quick drawing that I did. It's just a masterpiece. I would have posted a video about it, but I made a face of a lion and a tiger. So this is the tiger and this is the lion. I just absolutely love this drawing. This is one of my most realistic drawings ever. This is just amazing, you know. But you know, like I really cut once I make a drawing, I really cut and paste it on the wall. My mom cuts it and then pastes it. But I paste it and my mom cuts it. And over here, this is like, we have done many drawings, and now it's a new number of videos I posted about drawing. Now just subscribe to my channel and like for good content like this. Bye bye.